comprehensive renovation project has breathed new life into an apartment in the Penha de França neighborhood of Lisbon. The project, spearheaded by Paulo Moreira Architectures, transformed the apartment from its partitioned and outdated state into a modern, functional living space while maintaining its historical charm. Despite being in reasonable condition, the apartment's original layout was heavily partitioned, and its infrastructure was outdated. These factors necessitated a meticulous renovation to update and optimize the living space. The project's goal was to implement silent adaptations that respect the existing structure while incorporating contemporary elements to enhance functionality and aesthetics. The renovation made significant changes to the street-facing living areas, which were originally divided into 3 separate rooms. By removing a wall and replacing it with a new shelving unit, the relationship between the dining and living rooms was improved, creating a brighter and more transparent space. This adjustment not only enhanced the flow of natural light but also fostered a more open and cohesive living area. An internal alcove adjacent to the living room, previously deprived of natural light, was opened up to establish a quiet workspace. This change reflects the increasing importance of having dedicated workspaces at home, especially as remote work becomes more prevalent. The new workspace complements an existing office located on the opposite side of the dining room, providing 2 independent workstations within the apartment. On the side facing the inner courtyard, the renovation retained the original positions of the kitchen and 2 bedrooms. However, the kitchen was modernized with new, detached structures resembling furniture, which accommodate various kitchen functions. These additions are not only functional but also add a contemporary touch to the space. The master bedroom underwent a significant transformation, being converted into a suite by connecting it to the original bathroom. Previously, this bathroom was accessible only via the outdoor balcony. A new communal bathroom was also added to the center of the apartment, featuring open and transparent furniture that mirrors the design language used throughout the apartment. One of the standout features of the renovation was the reopening of the previously enclosed balcony. This change allowed natural light and air to flow into the bedrooms, enhancing the overall living environment. Part of the balcony was designated as a laundry area connected to the kitchen, adding to the apartment's functionality. The renovation's color palette was carefully chosen to consist of light beige tones, creating a dialogue with the neighboring buildings in this part of Lisbon. The materials used, including metal and local limestone, gave the apartment a unique identity that blends modernity with a sense of place. Everyday objects and utensils were thoughtfully incorporated into the design, rounding off the project and providing a lived-in feel. These elements bear witness to domestic life and ensure that the apartment is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical for its residents. The successful renovation was a collaborative effort led by Paulo Moreira Architectures. The main architect, Paulo Moreira, was supported by a team of collaborators including Herminio Santos, Nahid Nabhan, Elena Borghesa, Lorraine Coornert, Francesca Casalani, and Cynthia Iao. The construction was carried out by Espaços e Formas, with architectural photography provided by Ivo Tavares Studio. This renovation project highlights the potential of blending contemporary design with traditional structures, creating a functional and stylish living space that meets modern needs while respecting the historical context of Lisbon's Penha de França neighborhood.